Hey everyone, welcome back to Crafts by Felicia. I'm Felicia. Thank you for joining me today. If you are new to my channel or if this is your first time stopping by, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I upload 2 videos a week, and if you like what you see in these videos, I would love it if you would click the subscribe button and give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget about the $100 gift card to Hobby Lobby. For all the details and information, click on the link above or click on the link below in the description box. All right, YouTube crafters, grab your hot coffee or your sweet tea, your hot glue gun, and let's get crafty. For today's project, I'm using this buffalo check fabric that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I'm also using this gray checkered baby blanket, and I picked this up from Dollar Tree. Next, we're going to use this black checkered scarf that I also got from Dollar Tree. I picked these 3 different ribbons up from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be using them as well. I also got a pack of these pom-poms. I got these from AC Moore. This is a bunny template that I just printed off of line. I use a bunny as a template, and I just traced around the bunny with my scissors. I have folded the material in half, so it would create 2 identical pieces. Taking my hot glue gun, I traced the edge of the bunny, and I glued both pieces together, making sure that I left the bottom of the bunny unglued, so that I can fill it with my stuffing. I had some leftover pillow stuffing from another project, and I just used that to stuff my bunny. Then I glued my bottom edge together. I repeated this process with the other 2 fabrics. Using my ribbon, I made a shoestring bow, and then I just tied it around each of the bunny's neck. I left one bunny front facing and added a pom-pom on the other 2 bunnies. For my next project, I'm using 2 of these bunny signs that I got from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was take off the bunny feet and the little bow from the signs. I'm just loving these Easter signs that Dollar Tree has out. They are so big and you can do so much with them. Next, I'm going to use my sandpaper, and I'm just going to sand down the rough spots left from the glue. This is going to be the back of the sign. I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in the color white and give it just 1 coat. Using my glue gun, I'm gluing both my signs together and adding some popsicle sticks on the back just to give it a little more strength. I'm using my Elmer's wood filler to fill in the gap between the 2 signs and the hose left from the ribbon. I sanded off the excess wood filler using my Waverly chalk paint in the color white, and I applied 2 coats to the signs. Next, I painted my little pail using my apple barrel paint in the color Granite Gray. And using my makeup sponge, I went over the Granite Gray and alternated colors using my Palmer paints in the colors of Slate Gray and Silver, just to give it that galvanized look. I took my tape measure and measured off 3 marks at 3, 6, and 9 inches on the top and the bottom of my sign. Using my ruler, I lined it up with my marks and drew 3 straight lines through the middle of my sign. I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in the color Steele and Elephant and painted over the top of my lines to make it look like wood slats. I took my Waverly chalk paint in the color Ink and distressed all 4 edges of my sign. Then to soften the edges, I went over the paint with a baby wipe. On my laptop, I created my stencil and then I cut it out on my vinyl cutter. I applied the spring stencil to the bottom of my sign. Next, I applied the Hello stencil to the top of my sign. Using a black paint marker, I painted my stencil. I picked up this drawer pull from Home Depot. I'm going to use my E6000 and my hot glue gun to attach the handle to my sign. I picked up this Easter garland from Dollar Tree. I'm going to hot glue it around the bottom of my pail. Next, I took my ribbon and I wrapped it through the drawer pull. Then I hot glued the ribbon ends together. Using my hot glue gun, I glued the ribbon to the back of my pail. Using 3 Boxwood floral picks that I picked up from Walmart and 3 lavender floral stems that I got from Dollar Tree, along with a piece of floral foam, I created my arrangement and placed it into my pail. I'm really pleased with the way these projects turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoy these projects, hit the like button and click subscribe. Thanks for watching.